All right, Sawyer, here's the key. Don't fall in. On this episode, we drive to the summit of America's mountain, Pikes Peak. Mom and Macy have a little breakdown, and Angela catches a sunrise in the garden. So join us as we conclude our stay in Colorado Springs. Told Sawyer, make sure you go to the bathroom before coming up the mountain. He just informed us on the way to Pikes Peak that he has to poop.
We're 1 mile lower.
Good one, Sawyer. Kids will always keep you on your toes. What kind of bear would you be? A panda bear? Where are some bears?
I mean, I'm not going to be begging to see bears.
I want to see a bear.
Not after hearing about the black bear. I'm out.
Well, yeah, they'll eat you. Yeah, that's a thing. That's a fact.
Definitely getting a coffee at the top of Pikes Peak.
Why wouldn't you?
I mean, it might actually, you might be able to get just a regular old coffee and give you the same strength as espresso. Because the elevation.
Because the elevation, the coffee hits you different.
I mean, it works for alcohol, right? 1 mile, Crystal River. It looks like it's right there.
Here at 9,000 feet on the way up to Pikes Peak. Pretty sick. Huh. America's mountain. America. What's up?
Snow.
Yeah, well, those are clouds. Hopefully, look. Hopefully there's going to be snow up here. Up at the summit house, we're going to see some snow. Going all the way to the water. I want to feel that water. I want to put our toes in that water. Maybe just our hands. It's cold. You cold? No. You got thicker blood than me. Here we go, bud. Good job. All right, how cold do you think this water is? Oh, she cold. She cold. Feel it. Nothing. Well, that's the shot right there, baby. Remember this forever. That's what it's about. Problem with these hikes, when you go down, you gotta go back up. Gorgeous. I might just have to rest. Oh, yeah, let's rest here for a minute. to the summit, y'all. Welcome to the summit. We got fun and games. 45 degrees.
It's okay, Mace. It's okay.
Pikes Peak, very tippity top. Elevation is no joke.
Mom's not cool with the elevation.
I'm not okay right now. 14,380 feet in the air. Yeah, I'm not okay. Macy's okay now.
Macy's doing good now.
Sawyer, you good? All right.
Pro tip, maybe don't bring the baby up the mountain.
The baby's fine.
I was talking about you.
Leave mom home. We have seen some Floridians up here though, which is pretty awesome. Yeah.
You driving us down?
Mom's not okay.
You driving us? Pikes Peak was under complete construction at the top, so we didn't get to hang out. So we're making our way back down. Sawyer got to hit Dad with a snowball, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Now we're playing with the rocks on the edge of Beartown. Bear City, USA. Last night here in Colorado Springs. Oh, we got to go by the Black Sheep. We haven't even seen the Black Sheep yet.
Oh, the place that you played?
Yeah. 3 times.
3 times. Now there's a little bit of a line.
Yeah, there's a little line.
That's a line.
In the Emerald Fields.
Called restaurant.
Real original.
Look who's behind you.
The Minitel Brewing Company. I'm gonna give the beers 10 out of 10. They were really good. I really like their Oktoberfest. Oh, thank you so much, Sawyer. Sawyer was pretending to be our server the entire time.
Thank you.
It was awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, hold on. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The restaurant was amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The beer was really good. We had dinner. The beer was really good.
Saturday night. And we have no way to shower or use the bathroom except here on site, which I guess is a blessing that there's one there. That's Riggin, baby.
Good thing we bought the brand new coach.
They break. Angela's reconsidering even having this thing right now. She asked me if I knew we bought a boat when we bought it. Boat day. Broken stuff. And we have no internet, so we can't even Google it or reach out to somebody because we have no phones up on the mountain. Day 11.
At least it's nice out.
Called a friend back home. Shout out to Mark Dean for picking up a late phone call and doing some Googling for me. He said, bleed the lines. We bled the lines. I changed the hose from my clean out hose to my regular hose. I flipped them. And we have water again in the coach. And we'll see where this goes. Now I'm going to bed. That's sleeping, baby.
Good morning, folks. It is our last morning in Colorado Springs. We're gonna leave today here in a couple hours, but I just snuck away from the family. I am trying my damnedest to get up to Garden of the Gods before the sun starts coming up, and we are gonna catch a sunrise this morning, and I am so excited. Yeah, check it out. Well, I got it. What a beautiful morning. There is nothing like a sunrise at Garden of the Gods. It will literally make you tear up and make you think about life a little differently, which is kind of crazy. I was not expecting that, but it is very emotional. And if you ever come here, you absolutely have to do that. It's an early morning, but well worth it. See you soon. Hiking today.
Oh,
Just kidding, we drove.
Devo.
Oktoberfest.
Goodbye, Colorado Springs.